good morning. Kumusta kabayan? Isa ka rin ba nakagaya ko na gumigising ng maaga para magtrabaho, para matugunan ang pangangailangan ng iyong pamilya? I'm Donnie from Milan, Italy and originally from the Philippines. Okay, listen to this. I will share my digital business that works for me and it's automatic. It's work 24 hours with no selling involved, no recruitment and no badging of friends. Huwag mong skip yung video. Panoorin niyo po yung mga pamilya na binago po at nag-improve ang kanilang buhay dahil po sa panonood ng ganitong klaseng webinar. Kagaya ko po, inilagay ko po ang aking pangalan at ang aking email at nakita ko po kung gaano kaganda ang community ng online business na ginagawa po nila. Kaya ngayon po, be inspired po sa panonood. We are global, iba't ibang lahi po ang makikita nyo po na nagpapatunay na ang business na ito ay legit at ito po ay automatic na gumagana kahit nasa ang lugar ka, kahit nasa bakasyon o nasa trabaho. Be inspired, enjoy watching.
Hi, I'm Noksha. I'm originally from the Philippines but currently based in Melbourne, Australia. I'm a finance officer and I'm also an online business coach.
I'm Michelle Manansala, residing here in Sacramento, California, but originally from the Philippines in Pampanga. Yes, I'm Kapampangan. I am an accounting graduate by profession and currently working in a corporate job for 12 years. I am married and a mom of 2 wonderful teenage boys.
Online business owner now and a business coach. I'm so blessed because I received so many blessings from my online business. First is we were able to build a brand new house in Australia. Second is now I'm able to earn online even while at home, and now we are traveling for free. At the same time, I'm able to support more my family back in the Philippines. And lastly, we're able to live a life with less financial stress because of the income that we're receiving from the online business.
Biggest blessing that I received from this online business, I was able to walk away with my 2 part-time jobs and I was able to buy 3 properties in the Philippines, and now I'm so happy and grateful that I am able to help more my family back home.
Sa kapareho kong video kung napanood ang pinanonood nyo ngayon habang ako po ay nakaupo sa train, nag-YouTube or nag-Facebook, nagkaroon po ako ng pagkakataon na makilala itong negosyo na ito, kagaya ng pinanonood mo ngayon na naghahanap ng extra income or online business na flexible, na pwede mong gawin anytime, anywhere. Napansin ko po kasi sa umaga, napakadami po naming nagko-commute, napakahirap po ng buhay, napakabigat, kailangan mong gumising mga maaga. Kaya ako po ay patuloy na naghahanap ng mapapagkakitaan na hindi ko kailangan ng maraming oras o maraming puwersa. Kaya kagaya mo sa pinanonood mo ngayon, kaya mo yan. Everything I provided. Magpatuloy ka lang sa paghahanap. God bless you.